If you want to know how to make a man want you bad in just 10 steps, so watch these video till end. So let's begin. Caring man, it's not in his nature. Do not go in head images of a disaster film. It may simply be that your man is not naturally obsessed with you. It's not for lack of love for you, or because there is something wrong in your friendship, but because it is not in his nature. This may be because no one has ever been really attentive to him, or because he never had the sense to have small attentions towards anyone. What he has changed in your friendship, unfortunately, it may also be an attentive man is less and less in a friendship to no longer be at all. This situation is complicated to manage. You do not understand why there was this change. You try to do more to bring it back to what it was before, but it does not work. And, above all, you suffer from this evolution that does not suit you at all. If things are not easy to live, you can reverse them. You can make your man attentive again. In this situation, you especially need to contact your man. Become too considerate to him, thinking that it will give him a taste, surprise you, and bring you the small pleasures. That will not work if you do not find what is the problem underlying this change. On the contrary, it could make him take the highway to leave the place of the thoughtful man he was early. Take common steps that make your man want you bad. 1. Be fully confident. In this universe, every person want to talk with a confident person, so why are you not taking steps to be confident? Take a smiling face when you meet him. Do proper handshake or huge. Talk like a professional on any topic. Dress smartly. To be humble. Don't show your reputation too much. Feel him that I am similar to you and be humble. Laugh at your mistakes and show your lovely smile to him. Fun fact, simile makes you beautiful more than 90%. 3. Be best in your. If you meet him anywhere, then simply dress like a queen under your budget. Before dress, ask him which type of dress you like, casual, formal, and informal. Ask about which heroine you like most, and then do makeup like her, and try to dress like her, and maintain your hygiene. 4. Give him reputation and respect. Man always happy, and he always wants to talk to girl how to give him proper respect. If you meet him anywhere, then show respect. Like if you meet him in the market, they say you choose healthy food and you are genius in selecting food. I wish that I have like you who helped me to select food and be present in front of you as a gentleman. 5. Treated as gentleman. If you see a man with loose confidence, no smartness journey, people are not want to talk these type of man because people think that this male is not a gentleman. But if you like a man, so treat him as a gentleman. If he has nails straight, then you ask the help from his strength. If he is fit, then you ask physical help like help me to carry their cardboard. If he is tall, then help to keep these cardboard on the top corner. 6. Show him that you are caring. If you want to make a place in his heart, then start caring for him. Now the question is arises, Shoti take care of him as his mother. So follow these steps. Give him your lovely attention. Wear that dress he loves on you. Ask for dinner, make him a favorite meal. Give your time to solve his problem. Compliment his charming looks. 7. Do special for him. If you want to make a man want you bad, then simply do a special thing for him like asking for dinner, go to bar, and dancing together. Treat him specially, gift him, and also try to make his day special.